After Jesus fed the 5,000, he went to a mountain to pray. Meanwhile, the disciples went on a boat of the Sea of Galilee. A fair distance from shore, a storm came out of nowhere. Then they saw Jesus. Dude, is that a meatball? It's a ghost! Ah! Peter saw Jesus walking on the lake and said,
No, it's Jesus. Don't be afraid, it's just me. If it is you, tell me to join you on the water. Come.
Then Peter got out of the boat and started walking on water. But then he thought of the big waves and started sinking. He cried,
Help me, Lord!
Jesus reached out to Peter and pulled him out of the water.
Oh, Peter, if you would just have faith.
Then Peter and Jesus went back to the boat. Suddenly the storm died.
Whoa,
Truly you are the Son of God. A Piggies production.